Hello friends, welcome to another Salesforce video. In this lesson we are going to do a simple validation rule by using triggers. So let's go to our org and see how we do. Let's open our developer console. And you can see to open a new trigger. So validation. In this lesson we will use a validation rule, how to use a validation rule by using triggers. So validation rule trigger. So our object, it will be, it's up to you, whatever you want. You should do enough practice. I will use opportunity. Trigger name and on opportunity before insert. Before insert, if it is before insert, then I have to work on something new. So let's create a for loop again, and then the object as object is opportunity, and then opp and colon, and what if it is before insert, then we use trigger dot new, right? So open curly braces. So this is for creating a new record. This is my list, trigger.new list, and then opportunity variable name as object. So what is my condition? My condition says if my opp list dot and then lead source, okay, it is equals to null, or you can add or opp dot lead source equals to nothing. Then what is the result? If this condition is true, then opp dot lead source, and then addError method. So what I can write in my error message, you have to fill the select lead source, and I put colon, semicolon, and then control save. Now I go to opportunity. I am going to add a new one. Opportunity name is let's say test validation test opp. Close date is 28, and then I have to select this one. I am not going to select lead source, so it has save it. As you know, this is my I have had another trigger before I created, that's why it gave this error. Now let me go to my developer console again and then see what validation rule, not validation rule, which triggers I had. I have more than one trigger on the same object, so it is problem. So if I go to setup menu, this is important to know. If you go to object and then OPP, as you can see, triggers, as you can see, validation, this is my previous one, so I have to erase or delete this one. If you delete, edit, this is, you can see my opportunity, and then OPPD source is new. So if I deactivate this one, inactivate that one, then my new, because you cannot control the order of execution. Now I'm going to create a new opportunity and then see opportunity test trigger, and then 29 stage is any, and then see. You see now it gave this error. You have to select the lead source. Then if, as you can see now it's saved. So what happened here? It is in my code what I have selected. So you can validate and fill if somebody doesn't fill in, or you can validate that fill according to your wish. So this was a simple validation rule by using a trigger. We have error method. You can just, what you need to do is first you must select. So you can also put here, for example, after update, then if I go to same one, I don't select any, it's not problem because it is after. So this was simple. We have to save it and then come here, this source, it is none. So if it is after update, you write here, then you need to also select, otherwise it will not save. Validate your record. So I hope you have understood something new in this video. Thank you very much and see you in next lesson.